I already told you, I think so, I don't know whether I told you or not, regarding this campus interview program. Now the 12th standard students, they attended, okay, totally we have the students who are studying in 12th standard, mathematics, particularly mathematics, including business maths, 26 students. 5 students were very, very confident. Now we are going for NEET, for medicine. Sorry, 4 students. And 1 student told aeronautical, very, very strong. So 5 students did not participate. 21 students participated. The first one, skill development. This only. Okay, that is a reasoning test, multiple choice, aptitude test they conducted, little standard one. Out of 21 students, 12 students have cleared the exam. Who gave the opportunity for you? That opportunity given by the teachers. Okay, by the school management, that's all. Now they, only one day they took practice. One day. They took practice, the next day they wrote the test, online test. The company people came over here, they conducted and they cleared the complete test. On the same day evening, the same company people told me very clearly, sir, those who are selected in this examination, those who are clearing this aptitude examination will easily clear the interview, oral interview. Because they told very clearly, your school students' communicative skill is more or less equal to the mothering private school students' communicative skill. So we are selecting that. The same potential is there with your students. Now what they told is that 12 students are selected, they will clear the complete interview. Then what is the benefit of it? Why they are doing all these things? The campus interview is only for 4th year students of engineering. But why they are conducting in +2? That way Ramnad district would be the first school, our school. They came to know that about our school, they came here, they selected us. Now the students will have double benefit. Once they complete this +2, they are going to join in engineering college. Okay? Engineering college means what? Undergraduation. They are going to be the student of undergraduation, plus they are going to do job. Job is confirmed. After +2, even if you go to college, if you are joining engineering college, up to 4th year, you will not have any assurance that you are going to have job. No guarantee. But now, our students, the present +2, and even the other students, 9 students who are not cleared, they are going to give one more opportunity for them. In that, if they perform a little better, in that also will be 3 or 4 or 5 will be selected. Okay? So they will be given college seat without any effort. They need not go and attend that counseling and all these things. Okay? And they are going to have part-time job. From 2nd year onward, they are going to have 18 to 20,000 rupees as a salary. From 2nd year onwards. Okay? And also, based on the mark, the university, they are having tie-up with the university. Okay? Now, if the +2 total is very high, they will get seat in BITS Pilani. I don't know whether anybody knows about BITS Pilani. It is India's #1 university. Now, if you go for Google search, you can find out Birla Institute of Technology and Science. Okay, it is in a place called the Pilani. So that very shortly we used to call it as a BITS Pilani. It is in India's #1 university. Okay, now Tata Birla, have you heard about the Tata company is there? Long time before, no, Birla company. The Birla only established it, and that is worldwide #1 scientific research institute, Birla Institute. Now, if the +2 total is very high for them, those who are selected, they will get seat in BITS Pilani. Once they complete it, of course, the same company they can do after 2 years, after working in the company, they can go to any other company where the salary will be very, very excellent salary. Suppose the BITS Pilani, they are not getting admission. They have 2 more universities tier. One is a Sastra, another one is Christy. stream, university. Now there they can join and they can study. But HSCL will give correct salary. Okay? Second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Okay? Now these 4 years they are going to get salary of 18 to 20,000 rupees. Then once the education is over, then they are joining as a full-time employee in HSCL. The salary may be 40,000, 45,000. They restructure the salary. All students are selected for that. So the parents did not go for any seat. Okay, they did not pay what is that every year college fees. Because from second year onward they are going to get 18,000 rupees salary. And annually, how much it is coming? From the salary they can pay the fees. And the parents should pay, the student should pay only 75%. 25% is going to be paid by company. HCL company will pay 25%. For example, first year college, 40,000 rupees. There, the parents should pay only 30,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees will be paid by the company. I'm telling example. So company is also sharing your burden. So all type of facilities the students have. Now the skill is there. Okay, but if your teachers are not opening your skill, not bringing out your skill, it is not possible for you to shine. Okay, now, so what are the opportunities are given? You have to make use of the opportunity. Let it be a strong foundation for you. Platform, no? Strong foundation for you. And with the foundation, your structure, your building structure should be excellent, very strong. You have to develop your skill and you have to make use of the opportunities. What are the opportunities are given? Is it clear now? So next year, I'll bring the same people. If your parents are interested, okay? And only one thing, you have to develop your aptitude skill. You have a lot of time. You have a lot of time. Okay? And also you develop your communicative skill. Now, here, now 63%, 65% of the students are selected. Now you take here math students maybe 38 students are math students. Science, 38 students are there. Now if you take at least 30 students should be selected. With the maths, 38 students are there. Remaining 14 students are commerce students. Maybe a little less. 34. Out of 34, 25 to 30 students must be selected. Now once you complete the plus 2, your parents will be, free. You also, your mind should be very, very free. Because every job is there in your hand. Studies also in your hand. You are going to be the benefiter, not a loser. Suppose sometimes the parents may say that, no, we know that person there. Some parents, one parent is there. I know HR of that company, I know HR of this company. Nobody will do that. Everything is online. No company HR will respond to your parent. No company HR will give the job to his own brother. Not possible. The company code of conduct is like that. So some parents will be there. I know that HR, I know this CEO, I know that company. I will get the job from you. They can do. But I'm telling 100% it's not possible. Okay, so now you also can develop your skill. Now all these events like the debate, okay, quiz program or whatever the other programs we are going to conduct it, make use of it, develop your skill, strengthen your skill, definitely you can shine very, very well. But everything should be polite, everything must be very dignified way. Now all the IT company officers who are coming will expect only you are dignified or not. How far you are dignified, how far you are decent, how far you are polite. Based on that one. Based on that only they will do that. Okay, so make use of this option.
The first point got from Black's friend.
Another side of the coin is active participation of your own people. That is excellent. So give claps to you. created law.